विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वीमधील पहिला प्रकरण जे आहे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल या प्रकरणाचा आपल्याला अभ्यास करायचा आहे. हे प्रकरण अभ्यासत असताना आपल्याला या प्रकरणामध्ये असणारे जे सब युनिट्स आहेत ते सब युनिट्स कोणते अभ्यासायचे. त्यातलं पहिलं सब युनिट आहे मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल. फर्स्ट method is graphical method and another is the Cramer's rule method. Then you have to see equation that can be transformed in linear equation in two variable, and the third method is applications of simultaneous equation. You have to observe or learn these sub units in this chapter. In 8th standard we studied equations in one variable. In the 9th standard we have studied the graph of linear equation in one variable and its general form. Linear equation in one or two variable represent a line. Now in 10th class we will study the solutions of linear equation in two variable using graph. The point graph of a line and coordinates geometry are related to each other. Therefore, the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where the value of a is not equal to 0 and value of b is not equal to 0, is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. The equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will not remain linear in two variable if the value of a is 0 or b is 0, and also even if a is equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, or if a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. What will happen if c is equal to 0? If c is equal to 0, then the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will reduce to ax plus by is equal to 0, which is the linear equation in two variable. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. This equation is called the simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation is an equation of form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variable, where x and y, where a, b, c belongs in R and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. For example, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. When we consider system of two linear are called simultaneous equation. For example, minus 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x plus 3y is equal to 9 are simultaneous equations. The solution of this simultaneous equation is pair of values of x and y which satisfy both the equations. Two methods of solving simultaneous equation you will learn in 9th standard. Following are these two methods to solve simultaneous equation. First method is elimination method of solving simultaneous equation, and another is substitution method of solving simultaneous equation. You will revision of elimination method of solving simultaneous equation, which will learn in 9th standard. Solve the following simultaneous equation by elimination method. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Name this equation as 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 2. Name this equation 2. Multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3, then you will get 9x plus 3y is equal to 6, and 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 is the equation number 1. Now let us add equation 1 and equation 3. Equation number 1 is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. When you will add these two equations, 5x plus 9x is 14x and minus 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So the value of x is equal to 14 upon 14 is 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 2, and when you will multiply 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2, then 3 into 1 is 3 plus y is equal to 2, and the value of y is equal to 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so the value of y is equal to minus 1. Solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. It is also written as x comma y is equal to 1 minus 1, and 1 represent the value of x and minus 1 represent the value of y. This method is known as the elimination method of solving simultaneous equation. Then you will learn substitution method of solving simultaneous equation. For this example, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. Let us write the value of y in terms of x from equation. You will use this method. The coefficient of x and y are not same, so you will find out the value of y for equation number 2. 3x plus y is equal to 2 is the equation number 2, and then you will find the value of y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Substituting this value of y in equation number 1, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. 5x minus 3, put the value of y here, 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. When you will multiply by 3, then we will get 5x. 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 3 into minus 3 is plus, 3 into 3 is 9x is equal to 8. Sum of 5x plus 9x is 14x. 8 minus 6, this minus 6 goes to the another side of the equation for addition. 14x is equal to 8 plus 6, 14x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 14. The value of x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation number 3. The equation number 3 is y is equal to 2 minus 3x and y is equal to 2 minus 3 into 1. So the value of y is equal to 2 minus 3, and you will find the value of y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation.